at Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. To the right we have Formula Rossa, or not Formula Rossa, Mission Ferrari, sorry. Formula Rossa's been on my brain because it's been closed while I'm here, so that makes me sad. So Ferrari World is a mostly indoor theme park. There are some roller coasters that exist outside the park. Some of them start inside and then go outside, but yeah, it's mostly an indoor theme park. It's here in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. It's one of the largest indoor theme parks in the world, and I would argue one of the most gorgeous on the inside, because I absolutely love looking up and seeing this canopy, the way it's set up. So Bell Italia, this is a driving ride where we pass by different cities and monuments of the country of Italy. There's the track for Mission Ferrari up ahead, and now above us. It's been basically down all day. It's kind of temperamental, but it is a pretty phenomenal ride. It does things that really almost no other coasters can do. So, great ride. If you get a chance, and it's open here, you have to do it. Alright, we're going by the city of Pisa, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. That track up ahead is Turbo Track. That's a roller coaster that goes through the middle of the building right there. Here it comes. And it's about to go up that spike now. Whoa! And it's coming back through. Alright, we're passing by Venice. They do have boats over there that you can rent and drive around the city and crash to your heart's content. If you do come to Ferrari World, stay at the Warner Brothers Hotel. It's walking distance to most of the parks over here, and it's an incredible 5-star hotel. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous theme park and ride. I love this ride. Alright, we're coming up to the Amalfi Coast. Look at this. I just love all these cities they set up. This whole driving car ride is phenomenal. I'm glad that they put something like this in this park, and it's not just all fast coasters. It's great when parks break up their attraction offerings with stuff like this. This is just so well themed. Look at all the trees they put on the mountains, the different shades of rock they painted. I just love everything about this ride. They did a pretty great job with this. Alright, we've come to the end of our ride. Be sure to follow me or subscribe, depending on the platform, and I will see you guys later.